Hey friends, I am about to head out for a Halloween crafting event and look what I just got in the mail. It is the new HTVRONT Mini Heat Press 3. It is cute, small, and the perfect size to stash in my backpack to take to this event. I also love this perfect little silicone rest. So, to prepare for this event, I've cut some Halloween graphics with my HTVRONT heat press vinyl. HTVRONT has a terrific selection of heat press vinyls to choose from at a great price, and I use it all the time. I just put my graphic in, mirror the image, cut it out, weed the cut, and I'm ready to iron it on. For this event, I'm making Halloween trick-or-treat bags for the kids with a black cat design. These totes are big enough to carry tons of candy, and you can use them every year. The awesome thing about this little guy is that it heats up to 390 degrees Fahrenheit, and there is a Celsius setting as well. Turn it on, select the heat setting for your project, and then set the time. This is seriously easy to use. I'm using 315 degrees and 15 seconds. After it's at my desired temperature, I'm just going to iron on my cutouts. Easy peasy. I have another mini heat press, but this one is a little bit bigger, it heats up faster, and I love that you can choose the temperature. My other mini heat press is set to the same temperature all the time, and sometimes it doesn't quite do the job. Also, if you're like me, I leave things plugged in all the time. This heat press has an automatic shutoff so you don't wake up at 2 o'clock in the morning thinking that you left something plugged in. It's happened to me more times than I can remember. I really love this little HTVRONT Mini Heat Press 3. I think you will too. I'm going to leave a link in the description so that you can check it out yourself. Have a great day, everybody.